Okay guys, this is the second part of the making of the lemongrass Laotian soup. It's predominantly a base vegetable soup. Lemongrass is going to be the star of the show, and I can explain to you how to cook that in a second here. But first, let's talk about this pot. It's 12 quarts. It's only filled to the half, and it has 2 beef bones that's been boiling in here. You see that for about 3 hours now. The only thing I added to that before that at the same time was 2 tablespoons of MSG. So it's really important to use a pretty large pot because you have to have it boiling the entire time. Having the MSG and the beef bones in there really lifts up the boiling point a little high, and so you don't want it to spill over, and sadly that's happened to me already. But again, mainly it's about the lemongrass here. And so lemongrass is kind of like bay leaves. You know, you can cook it and then you remove it before eating. It's really meant for the aroma and the smells of this vegetable. So in order to make this, you cut off, here's what it looks like when you purchase it. You cut off the ends and the very base, and then you have to peel the first layer. You smell this is gorgeous. It is edible, just like bay leaves, I guess. For some Southeast Asian dishes, you would then mince this even further, and you can add it to your dish and consume it that way. In this particular dish, I'm just going to be, I took off the top part, I'll take off this one. It's almost like it's not edible, kind of like asparagus, the very, very ends of them. And you store it in, just like that. And then I have bamboo shoots. These are the larger ones, and I cut them down to bite size. They're still pretty big, but be all right. Okay. Straw mushrooms. Oh, I forgot. Garlic should have went in there first already. But, about 7 or 8 cloves of garlic. Peeled garlic, of course. I am going to be adding basil and bok choy and red bell peppers, but I'm going to add these a few minutes before I am going to serve the dish, because it withers away, and it's delicious, but you don't want it boiling there for hours as this is going to happen. So I wanted to show you the bok choy. It looks like this. It comes like this, and you can consume the entire vegetable. You just got to be sure to peel it. And when you peel it, you'll see how there's still some dirt there. So you want to peel each leaf and then wash it, and then it'll be ready to put in the bowl. As for the basil, you can put some of the stem. I mean, like in this particular case, I would use this much. You do not have to just use just the leaves. This is edible and it's delicious. And that's it. And I'll come back and show you what the dish is like later.